today we're at Dyserth Falls. Don't know how you pronounce that, but this is the falls. There's a lovely tea room. You can get some fabulous ice creams, and then there's these gardens that you can sit in, catch the sunshine, or sit under the tree. This great big beautiful tree, and then you've got the waterfall. So let's have a walk over. So there's two waterfalls. There's the main one, which is there. Oops, fell down a ditch there. Which is there. And you can see this river goes all the way around the village. So gorgeous waterfall, and you can get closer to it if you just follow down this little path. So the path all the way to it. And we've had a lot of rain recently, so we're getting sprayed quite a lot. So you've got the stairs that go up to a big, there's a big walk up there, and then you've got the waterfall here. So, beautiful waterfall there. And like I said, comes to the river there. And then you've got gardens over the other side as well. Let's go across to them. And there's the river. There's a lot of rain today, so we had a lot of heavy rainfall yesterday. And then under here, there's a little cave. Now, if you're brave enough, you can venture in there, but I'm not too brave today, and it is quite low. And then when you go round here, there's the front and the shop again, and there's a little brook there, which is where the smaller waterfall is there. Comes down and feeds into the river there. Oops. And that river goes all the way around there and leads into a bigger river over there. And if you go up those stairs that are over there, between that gap, if you go up them steps, then there's a circular wall that goes up there and all the way around the back of the mountain, and then comes out in the village round there. So a nice circular walk, and there's different levels as well to the walk, so lots and lots to do here. 50p entrance on an honesty box, and then there's ice creams which are really cheap, £3 I think it was for one scoop, or £4 for two, and then if you wanted a chocolate flake it's an extra 50p. But yeah, a nice little place to visit, and if you're looking for a walk, then try the circular walk up that bit there. But that's Dyserth Falls. I'll try and leave a link to the website, if there is one, in the description box below. Okay, enjoy.